Google Scholar is a helpful resource that aggregates scholarly information. Whether you're looking for peer-reviewed journal articles, patents, or case law, Google Scholar is the place to go. You need to go to scholar.google.com to get started. If you have an account, either a Gmail account, a YouTube account, or an account with any other Google product, by default you have an account with Google Scholar. To be sure, you'll see on the right hand side either your Gmail or YouTube account. Once you are in Google Scholar, you can begin searching and you'll be able to find results from multiple databases. Now, while you don't have access necessarily to articles there, you can get the information and you can search the library catalog and the library databases to see if we have access to the information you find here. One of the neat functions about Google Scholar is the ability to set your library, so not only will Google Scholar search the open web for articles, but it can also search your library and let you know if it's available at your library. Just click on the Settings tab here, and under Scholar Settings look for Library Links, and now you can begin typing in the name of your college or university. I'm typing in King University. Okay, and I notice there's several mentioned here. You want to click on King University ProQuest Full Text. ProQuest is a series of databases that we subscribe to. And you'll also see one that says King University Libraries, Full Text at King. Okay, these two are King University in Bristol, Tennessee. There are other schools that are listed here, but you want to have both of these boxes checked. That way, when you search Google Scholar, you'll see if we have access to the articles here. When you're done with that, you want to press Save. Okay, and now you can begin searching. So let's say you're doing research on global warming. You can type global warming in the box and press Search. And you'll see the articles here, and you'll notice on the right hand side it will say Full Text at King, and that way you know you have access to the article. So I can click on Full Text at King, and since I'm using a computer in the library, I shouldn't have to sign on. But if you're using Google Scholar from off campus, you'll be prompted at this point to type in your user ID and password, the same that you would use for Blackboard. Going back to Google Scholar, I want to show you some other tools that you can use. Whenever you do research on Google Scholar, you'll notice that you can cite the source. So if you click on the Cite button, it shows you how to cite it in major writing styles. Okay. You can also import them and export them to citation management software. There's a couple that are available that are relatively inexpensive. You can save the article. If you see the Save button here, what it does, it saves it to a folder. Alright, so that whenever you sign into Google Scholar, you'll be able to see My Library. There's an open folder here, and you'll be able to see all the articles that you've saved. You might find a relevant article on Google Scholar that we don't have access to at the library and you can't freely access online. In that case, you can use what's called interlibrary loan services through our library. You want to go to our website. It's library.king.edu, and if there's an article that you can't find, a book that you can't find in the library, you can click on Interlibrary Loan, and you can fill out this form here, and within 3 to 10 business days we should normally be able to fill your request. We can send you an article via PDF, or we can request that another library ship their book to us so that you can check it out. We can contact you to let you know that your article or that your book is in. So I hope this helps you in using Google Scholar to be able to do research. Thanks for watching.